Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing bentonite clay for scalp detox. If this is the first time you are stopping by, please do well to subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So we start off by using bentonite clay. That's our main ingredient, and you can get bentonite clay online on the market, or you can blend it yourself from the market. You buy the solid ones and then you blend it into a fine powder. I'm using about 5 tablespoons depending on my hair quantity. If your hair is more than mine, then you definitely need more. And if your hair is less than mine too, you may need less. So my next ingredient is apple cider vinegar, but then I need to dilute the apple cider vinegar before putting it on my hair. So to a third glass of apple cider vinegar, add a third glass of water. In this ratio, I'm using 2 third glasses of water and then 2 third glasses of apple cider vinegar to bring a balanced apple cider vinegar. It's not advisable to put the apple cider vinegar, concentrated apple cider vinegar, into the clay because it may be too saturated. And also, apple cider vinegar is important because first of all, it helps detangle the hair, and secondly, it also helps balance the pH on your scalp. I then add the apple cider vinegar into my bentonite clay and then stir it gently so that it mixes well and then dissolves as well. Right after here, I go ahead and add anything that will bring moisture into my hair. Even though bentonite clay brings moisture into the hair, it can tend to dry the hair very fast. So if you don't add anything like an humectant like honey or oil, it may tend to dry your hair very fast right after usage. So then I go in with extra virgin olive oil for its detangling properties and moisture properties. So I just go in with a third glass of extra virgin olive oil just to make the thing a bit moisturized. If you have honey, you can either add honey or replace honey with the oil. Right after here, I give it a gentle stir, nothing vigorous, because it is definitely not going to mix completely. So I just give it a gentle stir. So why am I using bentonite clay? Bentonite clay offers a deep moisture to the hair and scalp. It also deeply cleanses the scalp, removes dead skin cells and toxins, while strengthening the hair and preventing hair loss by clarifying the hair follicles so that they can absorb water, which can actually contribute to growing thicker, healthier hair. If you want to use bentonite clay on your hair, you can use it once in a month or on every wash day. Make sure you don't use it too often because it may damage your hair. Right after here, if you have a clinging foil or something, just cover it so that it takes time to marinate. And I'm not using the right word, but it takes time. So this is how I apply the clay on my hair. I make sure I saturate my hair a bit, I moisten my hair, or I dampen my hair a bit before putting the bentonite clay in it. This is totally optional. You can just decide to apply it directly on your scalp, but then I just wanted help in detangling the hair before going in with the bentonite clay. That is why I decided to dampen the hair first. This is a scalp treatment, so you need to focus on the scalp when applying this treatment. And you can tell how my hair has grown. Like, if you have followed me for a while, you know that, hey, my goodness, my hair is really, really growing. Like, I see really great changes and improvements on my hair, and I'm really proud of myself because I know everything I put in my hair, and the journey so far has been worth it. So guys, as I said earlier, focus on the scalp. Like, you should focus on the scalp because bentonite clay is a scalp treatment. When you apply it on your scalp, you then smear it downwards to the hair strands as well, but then your main focus should be the scalp. In doing this treatment, don't forget your ends because your ends are the oldest part of your hair. Like, don't leave your ends behind. You need to focus on your ends as well because they also need some strength, and they need most part of the strength because they are the weakest part of your hair. Bentonite clay really helps in detangling the hair, so take the opportunity to detangle your hair while using bentonite clay. Once you are done, you can decide to put your hair in a twist or just leave it on, depending on your choice. But then I think putting your hair in twist is the best because it doesn't tangle up or anything. It just keeps it in shape when you are ready to wash it. I'm really flattered at how long my hair has grown over the years, and in 2 years, and I really can't thank myself enough or feel proud of myself enough. I always tell you that, or encourage everyone, that you can really get anything you put your mind to, depending on how much effort you are willing to put in. If you are willing to put in maximum efforts, you are going to enjoy maximum effect. Like, you're really going to enjoy maximum effect. So anything you want to put your mind to, anything you want to generate this year, you should put in a little bit of energy and it will yield good results. You can tell how my curls are popping. Like, this is the favorite part of adding bentonite clay to your hair. So yes, I went to quickly finish it off camera, and you can tell that I focused on the scalp and the hair strands as well. But the main focus should be the scalp. And if you watch my other video, which I'll be adding here, you could tell how denser my hair has become as compared to the other times I used bentonite clay. My hair has become really dense in this video. So yeah, this shows that whatever I'm putting on my hair is yielding good results. And I was really feeling my hair at this moment. I couldn't stop doing what I'm doing now. Like, it was really a nice feeling. So I used the rest of the bentonite clay on my scalp and some part of my edges too, because they also needed some good nutrients. Yeah, so you can do this before you wash your hair, because this is like a shampoo. It really cleanses your scalp, so you don't really need a shampoo after using a bentonite clay. But you can go ahead and shampoo your hair after this if you still want your hair to smell like your usual shampoo. You can go ahead and use a shampoo after this, or you can do a normal protein treatment after here, because this can tend to dry off your hair very fast. My name is Lydia and I'll be ending here today. After here, I waited for about 15 minutes and then just jumped onto the sink because it was late and I didn't have time to go into the shower. I would really be a bit messier than I thought. And then I used my scalp massager to massage the dirt off my scalp. So you'll be seeing how my hair was before and how it is now at the end of the video.